Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna demonstrate or teach you the complete tutorial on how to unlock or offline the Zain router Huawei B315s-22 to any network. But before we proceed, please don't forget to subscribe on my channel. Step 1, download software and update files. First of all, download the files by clicking the link in the description below. Click download. When download is completed, click open containing folder. Then extract it using WinRAR or 7-Sieve. Okay, step 2, configure the Huawei Zain router. Connect LAN cable from router to PC using port 2, 3, or 4. Open your browser like Google, then type the default router IP address 192.168.8.1, then press enter. Then type the default router username and password. The username is admin and the password is admin. If you're not able to access this one, reset your router. Then click update. Then click choose file. Then browse the bin file. Then click update. So just wait a little minutes while update is in progress. Then Alhamdulillah, now Zain, Huawei need few steps to complete. Now supply the same password. Username admin and password is admin. As we can see, now become Huawei. Check I have read, then check modify password. Then enter new Wi-Fi password. Then click next. Type the current password as admin, then enter new password and confirm password. So must not the same with admin. You should change the password to new password because this one is we need to update the new settings of the router. Then type finish, then click finish. Okay, step 3. Let's perform a telnet unlock command using PuTi software to make it offline to any SIM card or network anywhere in the country. Now install PuTi software. Open the file that you have downloaded, then click PuTi.x. So just follow what I did. Now, open the telnet unlock command. Then type PuTi in search bar. Then click PuTi app. Now select telnet in the connection type. Then type 192.168.8.1. Then click open. This is the default router IP address. Now, copy etc ATI, then paste it to PuTi command window. Now copy again the another command, which is etc at so and so. Copy, then paste again to the PuTi command window. Your router is now offline, any type of SIM card or network anywhere in the world. Final step, checking other SIM card like mobile SIM card, STC SIM card, and also internet connection. I'm going to insert my mobile SIM card. As we can see, the signal is red color, meaning not yet have the internet. So we're going to reboot the router inside the system. Go to the settings, then click select system, then select reboot. Okay, then after rebooting, as we can see, now the mobile is okay here, meaning internet is not working, alhamdulillah. So let's check the internet. I'm going to open www.youtube.com. Okay, so thank you for watching, guys. If this video tutorial helped you, please don't forget to subscribe on my channel. Once again, thank you very much.